First, we import the crypto module, which is a built-in NodeJS module providing cryptographic functionality. This includes the set of cryptographic hash functions, which we'll use to create the hash for our inline styles. We're creating a function named generateInlineStyleHash that will take style content as an argument. This style content is a string containing the CSS we want to apply inline to our component. Inside the function, we're going to use the crypto module to generate a hash. We add this comment to explain the purpose of the next lines of code. Here, we call crypto create hash and pass SHA-256 to it, which tells the crypto module we want to use the SHA-256 hash function. Then, we use the update method to pass in our CSS content. Finally, the digest method is used with base64 to encode the resulting hash in base64 format. We add a comment to remind us that the next line will return a content security policy compatible hash. It's important for the hash to be in this format so it can be used in the CSP header. Our function concludes by returning the hash prefixed with SHA-256, which is necessary for it to be recognized as a valid source in the CSP directive. By adding this hash to the style src directive in the CSP header, we can whitelist our inline styles, ensuring our policy allows them without compromising security. With the closing bracket, we finish our generateInlineStyleHash function. This function can now be used in the context of a Next.js application to generate hashes for inline styles, improving the security of our app while maintaining the functionality of dynamic styling.